everyone, welcome to Words for Mental Health. This is Chiku, our Chief Empathy Officer, and he will be approving and disapproving various cultural phenomena in the near future. Okay, so that's a little about him. Now coming to the main topic of discussion for today's reel. So I stumbled upon a very beautiful side of the internet for caregivers and a very horrible side of the internet for caregivers. So there's this wonderful man who is a caregiver to his son with autism. He has been putting in a lot of effort, talking about all the effort that goes into raising a child with sensory issues, to raise children with neurodevelopmental difficulties, etc. And he's wonderful. I absolutely admire his content. I will tag him. You should go check him out and follow him and support his page and learn a little about how challenging it can get when you're raising a neurodevelopmentally diverse child. And right below his reel, so his latest reel was his son sitting in a barber's chair, getting his hair cut, and the child was just seated and he allowed the barber to cut the hair. And, as a parent or as a psychologist who understands sensory issues and how they work, we know what a big deal that is and how beautiful that is that his son trusts his father enough to allow a stranger to touch him so intimately, right? It's extremely overwhelming for the child on the neurodivergent spectrum, right? Someone had commented on this reel that कोई बात नहीं, ये मर जाएगा तो दूसरा पैदा कर लेना. So that's one side of the internet. So someone who's every day showing how hard they're working for progress, for ensuring that their son has an equal chance at having a really good life, okay? And this is the kind of comments he receives. And on the other side of internet, on LinkedIn, a manager, a supervisor at a workplace, he helped his supervisee in reducing her workload because she was a very high-performing, good staff member who was always punctual, always great, always the first one to crack a joke, etc. He noticed that her personality is changing lately, right? That she is withdrawn, she's not engaged. Her work is fine, but her mood is always off and she always seems low. So he had a conversation with her one-on-one and she almost cried in front of him that my mother just got diagnosed with dementia. I don't know how I'll do this. So he made it a point to create a supportive work environment for her, because taking care of a patient with dementia is a day in night out task and it's really hard. So this is the polarity I've just witnessed on the internet lately.